Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today we're gonna cook spaghetti alla carbonara. And for this recipe we're gonna need 2 egg yolks, 1 full egg. The original recipe used guanciale and Pecorino Romano, which we're gonna use too. If you don't like guanciale, you can switch with pancetta or parmesan for a little bit more mild taste. So we're gonna need to cut the guanciale and grate the pecorino. So let's start with that. And in the meantime, we're gonna boil our pasta. So we're gonna need approximately like 1/2 centimeter slices. I prefer lengthwise. You can actually cut it however you like it. I prefer this one because I like it, the texture with the spaghetti. So the pan on medium to high heat. In the meantime, we're gonna need to grate the cheese and add the egg and the yolk on the bowl to whisk it. So we use 2 egg yolks and 1 full egg. So I put the 2 egg yolks and the whole egg in a bowl, and I'm gonna whisk a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Don't add too much because the cheese and the pork is already salted, and I whisk very good. In the meantime, my pan is ready and I'm gonna add my pork belly. That's it, beautiful. So, I cook for 2 people, 200 grams of guanciale or pancetta or whatever you prefer, 200 grams of cheese and 200 grams of spaghetti. So, I'm gonna turn on the heat for the pasta, and I'm gonna grate the cheese inside the egg. So the bacon, the guanciale right here, you see how nice is it? Medium to high heat, nice and crispy. And back to our mix. So we stir the mix very well. We're gonna add the pasta. So 200 grams of pasta goes in. Give a little twist so it's gonna open up nicely. Timer for 11 minutes. We stir the pasta in. Nice. So the guanciale is getting nice and crispy, golden brown. It releases all the fat. We need this fat, we're gonna use it. So in that stage, we can actually turn the heat off and leave it to cook with the excess heat that already have. So it's a very simple recipe, like just these 5 ingredients: pasta, pecorino, guanciale, pepper, eggs. That's all. All the flavor is there. As fresh as your ingredients are, that tasty your dish is gonna be. So we're just waiting for the pasta. Occasionally stir your pasta because it's gonna get stuck. and we don't want that. For me, always use timer for your pasta. The time is on the box most of the times, and with that way, you know exactly when to look at it. There is no way that you're gonna forget it doing something else, and always you're gonna have a nice pasta on your plate. The mix here with the egg and the cheese is perfect. We can add a little bit more cracked pepper. So this is how we need the texture and the texture of the carbonara, the sauce. Like this is actually the sauce. So when the pasta hot from the water and all this product will go in, it's gonna give us that like creaminess and that texture that we're looking for on a carbonara. So my pasta is ready after 7 minutes boiling. I'm gonna place it next to the pan, so I'm gonna be able to transfer the pasta into the pan with the guanciale, and we need a little bit of the pasta water, so we're gonna make the sauce like nice and creamy. So here I am. I'm leaving a little bit the pan to take heat because I had it off. And I start add my pasta in with a little bit of the water. So the heat is good. We continue the process. So nice. Probably we can need a little bit pasta water, and I'm ready to add my mix of egg and cheese to my pan. A little bit of my pasta water, and I stir everything together. I turn my heat a little bit on, not too hot, it's gonna scrabble. Nice. So here we have a beautiful and delicious pasta carbonara. You see how creamy is it, right? Not scrabbled, nothing, like extra creamy how I like it. Nice and beautiful. So now we are ready for plating. I'm gonna put my pasta away, and I'm gonna take this away. I'm gonna put here my beautiful carbonara. So I'm gonna do two different styles of plating for this pasta. Both of them are very simple and very easy. One is the classic, so you're taking a little bit with your tongs and you twist it inside the ladle, and with that way you place it in the middle and you twist also, and it comes like nicely. We do that one more time and we place on top. That's it, nice. And the other one is with this. So we grab our pasta and we twist and we open lengthwise and we twist until it's nice and shaped. And we come over here, we twist again, and we place it on the plate. So a little bit on the top for garnish. And same thing over here. So this is it. a little bit cracked pepper, a little bit extra pecorino on the top. Yeah, and this is actually the original carbonara with Pecorino Romano and guanciale. And we're done. This is it from today. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. See you in the next Kitchen Lab. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.